everyone. So I thought today would be a great day to go over what I use for dryer sheets in my dryer. I actually just ran out, so I was going to make a batch, and I figured it'd be a good time to explain to you and show you how I make it. So I actually don't buy dryer sheets at the store. I make my own. Conventional dryer sheets can contain lots of mysterious ingredients, and they can sometimes be expensive after you buy them for a while. So I like to play it safe and save some money with this reusable DIY containing any oil of your choice as well. You can make it with lavender oil, eucalyptus, cedarwood, On Guard, really whatever you prefer. And your clothes will get the benefits from that oil as well. So for example, if you choose lavender, it's going to have its soothing properties for the skin and the sweet calming aroma as well, as it softens your clothes and fights off the static at the same time. So the ingredients are pretty simple. You just need a cup of hot water, half a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of baking soda, and about 5 to 10 drops of the oil of your choice. I use doTERRA certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils, and about 5 to 10 simple sponges. So I literally just bought these sponges off of Amazon. It came in a large pack, and then once they are wet, they expand into something like this. So I actually cut them in half to fit in the container that I use. You can keep them this size. You can cut them up to any size you want. Just for the container purposes of what I use, I just cut them in half, and as you can see, they do expand after they've been used a couple times. So I just wanted to show you what I use. Again, you can get them at the grocery store. I just bought a pack of them on Amazon, really cheap. And then I actually cut them up in half, so it's really one sponge, but I just cut it in half. So I'm gonna start out with 1 cup of hot water. So let me just go grab the cup of hot water. I find that it helps if you use a large bowl to mix it in, and then you can pour it into your container of choice. I use this glass container, and then I just put it on top of my shelf in my laundry room. And whenever I am ready to put clothes in the dryer, I just take about 2 to 3 sponges, depending on how big the load is, and put them in this container. So let me just grab 1 cup of hot water quick. So you're going to combine the baking soda and the hot water into your bowl to stir it. So there's my cup of water, and then you can use any baking soda. I use Bob's Red Mill baking soda, and you only need half a cup of this. And if your kids want to help you, it's kind of fun. It's almost like a little science experiment when you add the vinegar. So you just use the baking soda, and then you're just going to stir it. So you're just going to stir it up so it's the same consistency. Then you're going to add the vinegar to it and mix it, and then after that we're going to add the oil and then stir again until all of our ingredients are combined. So I need about half a cup of white vinegar, and if you need to double the batch up, you can always do that. I always kind of start smaller with this batch, and then I just have distilled white vinegar, and you just need half a cup. Now make sure, just from experience, pour it in slowly because it will fizz until all the ingredients are mixed. So I just like pour a little bit in, mix it up until the bubbles go down, pour a little bit more in until the bubbles go down. So you can kind of hear it, but so it fizzes up. So that's half a cup, and as you can see, it's fizzed up. I almost spilled it. And then I just keep stirring until all the bubbles go down. And then you can use whatever essential oil you want. The ones that I like to use frequently, and I'll rotate through them, is lavender, eucalyptus, cedarwood is really good, especially if you're going to put clothes away to store them. Cedarwood is really good, and it kind of gives that outdoorsy aroma. Balance is another one, and then especially this time of year with everything going on Guard, which is the protective blend. So we're just going to keep stirring this until, as you can see, the bubbles are already starting to go down. And then I'm actually going to add about 10 drops of the On Guard, and you're just going to drop it right into the bowl. And it's okay if you have a little more or a little less. And then just mix it up. And then you're going to fill your container of choice. Again, this is the container I use. And the sponges actually fit really nicely in it. And it comes with a top that seals it, because what I do is to use it, you want to shake the container up a little bit, and then you remove about 2 to 3 sponges, wring it out just slightly. You don't want to wring it out all the way. And then you're going to put it right into the dryer with your clothes. Set your dryer onto its normal cycle. And then once they're done, you're going to take them out and put them right back into this container so they can absorb the ingredients again, and then you can just reuse them. And I've had these ones for a while now, and if you notice the sponges are starting to wear a little bit, just replace them, but I haven't had to replace these in a while. And you can also put them in the dishwasher or put them in the washer machine just to wash them every once in a while if you'd like to. So this is what it looks like. Let me just quickly put it in the bowl. So here's my container, and then I just slowly fill it up. So this is kind of what it looks like. The baking soda will settle to the bottom a little bit, so again, that's why you want to make sure you have a top to put on it, because you're going to shake it up a little bit before you put the sponge in the dryer. And then you just take your sponges, put them in, and then as you can see, they're already starting to absorb. And I'm gonna top this off a little bit with just some more water. And I'm just going to make sure I get all the baking soda out of the bowl. And then you just put your top on. And there you go. Reusable dryer sponges. They're fantastic. I love them. They're great. They really help with static. They help with the smell, and they also keep your clothes smelling extremely fresh, and you don't have to worry about any harmful or harsh chemicals or ingredients that you have no idea what they are. And it's so simple and easy to make. And I literally just shake it up, open it up, grab like a sponge or two, wring it out just a little bit like that, and then just put it right in the dryer with your clothes to dry on its normal cycle. If you have any questions, just let me know.